Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to delete TikTok videos. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, take a look on the bottom of your mobile screen. Here you will see 5 different options. And in these options, you have to tap on this profile icon, which is on the bottom right, and here you will see all of your TikTok posts. But I only uploaded a single video, that's why you can see a single video, but you will see all of your posts here. And how can you delete it? If you tap on that one which you want to delete. Now video is playing, but how can you delete it? The only thing you have to do is take a look on the left side of your mobile screen. You will see your profile, heart sign, and messages. And on the second last number, you can see 3 dots. Tap on it. In the last line, you will see the option, Save Video and Pin. Now swipe this line to the left side, and on the bottom right. You can see the option Delete. Tap on it, and tap on the option Delete. After tapping on the option Delete, your post will be deleted on TikTok. And here you can read. You can restore it within 30 days from recently deleted in Activity Center. It means once you will delete your post, you can recover it within next 30 days. And after 30 days, this post will be removed from TikTok permanently. So be careful while deleting. It was the fundamental way by which you can delete posts on TikTok.